the heck is that? Oh, there it is, right there. Ugh. There's my tape measure. Man, looking all over for. Hey, this is Dad Random. How you doing? Guess what? Guess what's installed today?
Do you lie awake at night? Are you afraid to turn out the lights? Is there something you're scared of? What's there out in the dark? Make sure to keep all your windows locked. Do you surrender? You try to stay awake. These walls you can't escape. Here's one for the lonely hearts, for the ones that fear the dark. You better run out of here. Bet you can't look the other way. Here's one for the broken road. That's the only one you know. You better run out, truth or dare. Get me out, take me anywhere but here. Oh, anywhere but here. Wanting something good to come, waiting for things to run away from. Are you just hiding? Yeah, walking into the fire, talking like you never die, like you're immortal. You try to stay awake. These walls you can't escape. Here's one for the lonely hearts, for the ones that fear the dark. You better run out of here. Bet you can't look the other way. Here's one for the broken road. That's the only one you know. You better run out, truth or dare. Get me out, take me anywhere but here.
Where in the heck is that? Oh, there it is, right there. Ugh. There's my tape measure. Man, looking all over for. Hey, this is Dad Random. How you doing? Guess what? Guess what's installed today? Yes, you're right. The refrigerator. Awesome. There it is, right there. Ta-da! Countertop's on. Let me tell you something. That countertop, yes, it has a slight bend to it right there. But guys, when I left that sucker, when I was making it, we tell you, it was a nightmare. But I was able to save it, and it's looking really good. I was able to take some of that bend out of it.
This is Dad Random. I'm checking out my countertop that I did this morning. It was, oh man, it was a bigger job than I thought. I got the material numbers right. I just didn't get, I didn't have a good workflow, you know. And sometimes when you have a bad workflow, it kind of becomes a little bit crazy. So it's still warm to the touch. I covered it in plastic just to let it kind of burn off, you know, just to give it some slow curing time. But it's upside down. You can see that I got some pockets, but this is the bottom side. I'm hoping the money side is looking good, but I'm not going to rush this. I'm almost sure I'm going to have to do some repair work. That's not wishful. That's not very positive thinking, is it? But it's hard. It's supposed to be set up to, according to the instructions for the quick set or the rapid set mortar mix. It should be set up to 4,000 PSI right now. So, but there it is right there. Countertop for the bar shed. This is the big buffet countertop. This is the big one. So I'm crossing my fingers. If it's got minimal need, as far as repairs, you know, it's just, you know, putting in, tucking in a little bit of mortar in any imperfections. That'll be a good thing because this is the big one. I've got one about half the size that I've got to do. And then I have another one that's the bar rail, which probably is just about a bag of concrete, just about one bag, maybe more than one. So I probably have 4 bags left in the project. So yes, it was crazy. Look at the mess. Look at the mess on the floor. Just an absolute disaster. I had all kinds of crazy stuff going on. I've never worked with material that's set up this fast, but you understand, I'm working in 80, 90 degrees, and then I'm, trying to slow down a rapid set product. I probably should have just used plain old mortar, just traditional mortar, not rapid set. But later, and dead random, the countertop, I'll do a little video when we flip it and reveal it later today. I think we're going to try to flip it and reveal it today. It's strong enough right now. So later, and bye. Just a teeny bit of a bend at the end right here, but nicely done. I got the stucco on. Now you see that there's no stone on there, and the reason why there's no stone, see that right there, is I'm running out of time. So I decided to compromise the stone for another time. Now, it doesn't mean that there won't be stone there. It means that I'm going to delay it. It was just as easy to put stucco on it. But look at that color. I mean, look at the house. These guys did a great job matching the stucco up. So now I've just got to build the bar tops. And that thing, guys, let me tell you, is much, 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 much more difficult than the short bar tops. So check that out right there. You see got a little bit of character in there, but not bad. There's the edge right there. Bam. So I am very happy with that. Not even a question. There you go. We got the little trash can right there. Got my drawers, and there's the little hidden door right there. Bam! All right. So dead random. Let's check this out over here. Man, got a little dust on there. So here's the stucco on the side of the shed. So very nice. Colors match good. We got a nice transition line down there, and then the trim will be a brown. I'm going to do a semi-transparent brown, and then a dark brown on the top and the door. So it'll be awesome. So there's that side, and there's that side, and they will finish the front. Here's a little contrasting shot right here. There's the gray with the contrasting. There we go. Here's the gray with the contrasting gray colored stucco. So they'll come in tomorrow and they'll take care of that. They'll finish that all off, and that will be all done. The stucco guys will get their check, and they will have definitely earned their money. I'll be able to put the lights on, the exterior lights, tomorrow. So yes, dead random. This is Monday of week 7. Monday, week 7. And I did screw that up last week. Did call it week 6, but I'm getting delirious. But I'm running out of time. I got to go back to work, so I got to get these projects done. But I am so happy. I'm just tickled. Next couple days, tomorrow I'll probably pour one of the tops, and then I'll pour the other top. I'm just going to take my time. I'll pour the other 2 pieces on maybe Wednesday as the other one's curing. So, but right there, that big countertop there is 7 feet long, and 3 days from start to finish. So, yep. Check out the concrete countertop videos. There's a bunch of them out there. Michael Builds is probably the one you want to check out. He's the one that kind of gets you hooked, and then he makes it look easy, and it is easy, and it sure puts a nice. That is a smooth surface. That is very smooth. It's not finished yet. I'm probably going to stain it, and then I'm going to seal it with a concrete sealer. So, but I just wanted it on. Now it's ready to go. Dead random. Beginning of week 7. So this is it. This is the final stretch. This is the push. At the end of the week, I don't know if I'll have paint, but I probably will have everything else done. So I'm just telling you, it's been a super long process, but I'd say it was on a scale of 1 to 10. This is probably this is something up there. This is a 9 project, 9, 10 skill project.
You have to have all the trades. You have to basically bring all of your skills together to get this to happen. So for Dad Random, yes, later and bye. See you later in the week. Yes, bye-bye. My tape measure.
Do you lie awake at night? Are you afraid to turn out the lights? Is there something you're scared of? What's there out in the dark? Make sure to keep all your windows locked.